this is our day 3 of our tour, and now inavail namin yung Tour B package, and we're now here in our first stop in Salula Island.
Hey guys, nandito kami sa Salula Island. Ganda siya, ang sarap ng tubig.
Super clear! Bluish green ang tubig niya. Sand check! Para siyang Boracay guys. Powdery and white din yung sand niya. This is Snake Island in Palawan. It is famous for its stunning, winding, white sandbar that connects to the mainland during low tide, creating a unique S-shape perfect for walking and photos, with crystal waters ideal for swimming and snorkeling, offering breathtaking views of Bakuit Bay. This is the Cathedral Cave, and this hidden gem is part of the Tour B. What's your name and where are you from?
My name is Armeni.
My name is Aj. We are from France.
So is it your first time here in the Philippines?
Yes, it's first time.
So what can you say about the country so far?
It's very beautiful. The people is
Very nice.
Very nice.
Thank you.
I love more Philippines than Thailand.
Oh, that's good.
Thank you.
Yes.
So you've been to Thailand as well?
Yes, Thailand.
I love
I
Philippines.
have travel in Thailand, but I love Philippines.
Okay.
You love
Yes,
Philippines
That's
so
good.
far.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Yes.
so you enjoy your stay here? Very much.
Very people is very good. No, comment to dire, no most people, lot of people is good, very good.
Very nice.
Because sorry, not, no,
Our English is very bad.
it's very bad. Net English is very bad.
Okay, it's very good. And would you recommend it to other foreign nationals to visit our country? Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, guys.
So thank you guys and enjoy your stay here in the country.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Hi guys, so what's your name and where are you from?
Hi, I'm Andrew. I'm from Germany. I'm 32 years old and it's my first time here in Philippines. And you?
Hi, I'm Elena. I'm from Germany. I'm 36 years old and it's my first time here. But it's very nice.
So what can you say about the place, our country so far?
We started with the 3 days experiments by the catamaran. Comes from Coron to Nido. It is the first destination for us here on the Philippines, and I would say the people are amazing. They're so friendly all the time. They're smiling, and of course the weather is beautiful here. It's also the beaches are very quiet, long, nice, and we like it here so much, really.
Thank you very much. So, how did you come to know about the Philippines? Why did you choose El Nido, Palawan as your tourist destination?
Okay, welcome in 2025. So we have a lot of social media, and the first answer I will tell you that we see a lot of reels or videos on Instagram about the Philippines, and yeah, they catched us, so we decided to go on the internet and take a book about the flight to come here.
Thank you so much for visiting our country. Enjoy your stay here. For how long you're gonna stay here?
I think, how long?
So long, January 4th January.
Over the next year.
About 1 month. Around,
Yeah, 1
yes.
month.
We got a lot of time to see everything about the Philippines.
Yes.
Would you recommend it to other nationals to visit our country?
I will say maybe my friends will be stand on the same position next year. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Enjoy the rest of your stay here.
Bye bye.
Thanks. We transferred to another hotel. This is Lagoon Hotel, just to try what other hotels in Palawan can offer to us. So this is their main lobby. The materials that they use for the interiors are made of native materials, offering a warmth feeling of a perfect island vibe. As I always do, let's do the room tour. So you can see there's a coffee and tea area with mini refrigerator with 2 queen beds. They have separate toilet and shower bath. So this is their toilet. It's very modern. So this is their shower area with a hot and cold bath shower. This hotel also has an infinity pool and roof deck bar with a perfect mountain view. And today, it's day 4 of our vacation here in El Nido. And today, we are in Lio Beach. Look how nice the place is.
Ganda.
So, nandito kami ngayon sa Lio Beach. Sobrang ganda din dito. And may mga mangrove din kayong makikita.
Hey, doggy.
Another morning here in El Nido, and we are now here in Art Cafe. Kain muna kami ng lunch and then punta ulit kami ng Nakpan Beach. Parang naribot na yata namin yung mga beach dito. See you later! Refreshing buko juice. Bili na! Good girl!
Ikaw, dahan lang. Hindi bumibilis na. Touch. Kapit muna kita.
Good boy!
Guys, ang babait ng dogs dito sa El Nido. Mga island dogs sila.
Nakakatuwa. Sana lahat tayo maging mabait tayo sa mga animal. Sana wag natin saktan yung mga aso, lalo na yung mga stray. Gusto lang naman nila mahalin natin sila at bigyan ng pagkain. Please guys, if hindi nyo sila kayang pakainin, huwag nyo na lang silang saktan. Tingnan nyo, mabait sila oh. Pumuesto pa siyang gano'n. Friendly siya. Pauwi na kami guys. Tumatahol na. Sa El Nido, Palawan. Pauwi na kami. So far, na-enjoy namin lahat ng pinuntahan namin dito. Unang-una, nagpunta kami sa Nakpan Beach. And then tour A, tour B, pinuha namin. And then the rest of the day, nagpunta na ulit kami sa Nakpan and sa Los Cabanas. Maraming Vanilla Beach.
Sobrang saya, tsaka favorite namin yung Nakpan Beach kasi maraming dogs, tsaka maganda yung beach nila, tsaka may cafe na rin sila doon.
Ang ganda ng mga experiences namin dito sa Palawan. And thank you guys for watching. Ito nga pala yung church na pinupuntahan namin dito sa El Nido, St. Francis of Assisi. Kaya pala ang daming mga dogs dito na makalat-kalat. Almost lahat sila may mga colors. Yun pala kasi patron saint nila dito si St. Francis of Assisi, which is the patron saint of animals. Sana let's all be